This is our new electric firework cannon on DMX control. We're going to test it outdoor. Channel 1 is power, channel 2 is fire. Here we go. Here we go. Channel 1 is set to power. Can hear the relay. Now we'll give a fire, give one boom. Here we go. Holy shit.